IP Australia. There you go. ipaustralia.gov.au. That's who will do your patents for you in Oz. Now, whether or not you do that yourself or get a lawyer to do it is entirely up to you. For me, I have not yet trademarked any of my logos, okay? I have trademarked my brand names, but that is a different thing to your logo. Your logo is a graphical thing. Your brand name clearly is your brand name for your business. So for me, I have personally not registered a trademark on my logo. I have registered a trademark on my brand name. The only reason I did that was because you need a trademark to get what's called brand registry in America. Otherwise, it is unlikely that I would have even done it then. Now, some people will disagree with that as a strategy, but for me, until my business is proven to be a business that's going to make significant amount of money, for me, there's no reason at all to trademark the logo or the brand or whatever it may be. Once I have seen evidence that my business idea will work and will work like gangbusters, then and only then will I invest in those second tier requirements to build a big business. So you know, like a hobby business, a lifestyle business, what makes you, I don't know, $50,000 or $100,000 a year, I cannot personally see any point at all, unless you want to get brand registered through Amazon, which you should, in trademarking your business name. Once you look like you're going to be setting over $1 million a year, then by all means, I believe then you're at the point where it makes sense to start protecting it at a higher level than you are normally given within normal legal laws of Australia, for instance. So how much does it cost? From memory, I paid $250 in Australia to mark my brand name. It took 7 weeks, and I used a simple online form to do that, and it was a piece of cake. In America, if you want to get a brand name done, then it's through USPT, United States Patent Office, USPTO, something like that. They'll do it for you. It's $800 from memory, and it takes 7 months to get it done, which is just nuts. But it is what it is. So it's very quick in Australia to get it done. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.